Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XRF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely want to do a couple updates here. And first thing, going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of those lines there. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere and you know that creates clutter. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done though comes about based on what I would consider what I call the ideal level of support. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 55 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 55, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay up above 55 cents, that would be a very, very impressive sign of strength. Now, taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 55 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report, other than kind of confirmation that the level I talked about from last week up here at 60 cents did indeed act as resistance. So while I'm not saying 60 cents can't be broken, I'm just saying that apparently according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break up above 60 cents, but stay up above it. All in all, though, nice movement today. Good start to the week, and the week is young. Still 4 days left, so let's see if this one can continue to build upon itself or not, but definitely some good, solid upwards momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.